welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can fade in and out an audio on CapCut browser. Just going to add this video right now. So just press the plus button or you can drag it here. Right click and press extract audio or press Control Shift S. Control Shift S and it's going to extract the audio. Select the audio. To add in a fade in duration, you're just going to slide it here, or you can type in the duration like so. You can also then slide the next one, which is the fade out duration, and you can also type it in or use this button to adjust the duration of the fade in and out duration of the audio, I guess. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!